Good morning mga ka-network. Next morning po ulit. Pagbabalik po ng aking channel. Again, I remember I paint like this before. I think so I'm gonna paint that by primer. I think that's called the post light in the forest, in the bush. Ito yung mga ibang parts niya. Yung ladder. Ito yung sa likod. Meron din. Mga angle bar.